The picture of this Afghan man offering tea to an American soldier in Afghanistan. Taken in 1987, this image shows a surgeon monitoring the state of a patient after a 23-hour successful heart transplant while his exhausted assistant is sleeping in the corner. This photo is taken in 2014. This picture shows an injured Turkish protester lying on the ground as Turkish riot police fired tear gas to disperse demonstrators in Istanbul. This picture of a Syrian girl mistaking a long lens camera for a gun and surrounding. A picture of a woman after finding her dog following a flood in Argentina. This picture of Helen Fisher kissing the hearse carrying the boy of her 20-year-old cousin in Wootton Bassett. This picture of a Shia Muslim who has his screaming child gashed with a knife during a Muharram procession in Mumbai, India. Taken in 2009, this picture shows an American soldier taking a break after a night mission in Afghanistan. Returning American soldier Chad Fleming meeting his daughter for the very first time after deployment. This picture of a young woman shot in the eye during a protest. An 8-year-old boy accepting the American flag during a memorial service for his father who shot and killed in Iraq just a few weeks before he was due to return home. This photo shows the US soldier giving a high five to an Afghan boy while on patrol in the eastern part of Afghanistan. This picture of a baby crying as a relative slices its head open with a kitchen knife as part of Islamic self-flagellation ceremony to mourn the death of the Prophet's grandson. This picture of a woman sitting amidst the wreckage of a massive earthquake during the 2011 tsunami disaster in Japan. The picture of a returning American soldier hugging her daughter at the airport. Top 10 amazing here. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.